Yes, my people, big up on yourself and you don't know what's a new link there from New Link Production. Well, my people, John, my people, it's a dread and a terrible day in Jamaica again. Yo, it's really sad for no say, yo, these things been happening and you don't know what's a new link as the man who always giving the news, but people, John, it hurt and I really hurt because if I check on a ratio from weeks to weeks, how much people have been killed. You understand when it's going towards Christmas because people, the latest murder has happened where 4 family members was shot and killed early this morning. John, people, it's sad, it's terrible. John. So 4 family members were shot and killed in a place called Massamuir Meadows in Westmoreland, people. And it is said that none of these family members have reached 40 years old. The youngest has been just 23 years old, including a female, and 3 male was shot and killed while at home. People, you see the recent killing them, most of them at night, the man attack are early in the morning before daylight. So it is said that at about 1 a.m., residents in the community heard several explosions, right? And they summoned the police, and where they hear the explosion coming from, the police them go check the house. When the police them go there, them say 4 lifeless body lying on the ground with several gunshot wounds. 4 body people. Channel Star, 4 family member, and them say even in this family, you have family in there who is farmer, who is laborer. You get what I say, people? But Channel, nobody knows what could have caused this terrible act because the police them still ask anyone who have any information to come to the police and give their information because that could lead into the arrest of the persons who responds for this terrible act. But people, we don't know what really are going. John, we don't know what really happen, but I noticed this over years and years. Anytime it comes down to December, we have several killings. You know, killing is a thing we go right through here, but when it comes down to December going towards Christmas, it seems like the man them start kill people more. Like them have a target where they want to make for the year, and if them not reach close to the target, them take the rest of the months, like the 1 month we left before Christmas, and try make the target. Look at it now, people. State of emergency, we're asking a Westmoreland for how long, right? And if police and soldier was quarreling all of these part in Westmoreland, you get me? In local land and all of them places there. That are these things you do go and say in Westmoreland, you know? Honestly, you know? And the same thing for Clarendon, you know? The other day, me say they have Jome down there in a daylight, a fly on them something there. The gunman them not attacking a day. You need the patrol of the soldiers them in the night. You get me? I say, in the early morning before daylight, but in a daylight, the gunman them gone chill, them gone relax, them gone a bar, them gone a beach. Because them have a you get me? I say, now look there now, 4 family members has gone. And I don't know what could have caused this because the police don't get no information if a drugs, if a scamming, or if them just kill them for nothing at all. So nobody knows, but only Jah knows right now what could have caused this. But my people, it's really terrible and it's really sad for how people life has been going. Look at it, 4 members, the youngest 23, the oldest is 35 years old. Look at that, 4 family gone. It's terrible, it's sad, and we talk every day and every day. We pray for the youth them can just take the time out. If we just look at it and say, yo, the killing thing don't make no sense. Why we have to take our own black brothers and sister life? Look back in the days how black people used to live loving as one. So why now we turn this hate against the black man? Channel Star. We know say killing everywhere now because we see even over the states the where the man go shoot up the bar, you understand, and kill over 13 persons died in that shooting and over 10 injured. You get what I say? We know killing is everywhere, but look at this now, people. As a Jamaican, this is our country, and it's hard to know that we as Jamaicans see the rate of things and how people have been killed or how people are dying in our country like that. You get me? I say, we're praying and we're dying for a change. And every day we look at it and say, the rich man them there, living relaxed uptown, chilling, have these big car, big houses driving, while we poor man killing off our brothers and sisters. Why? It's time for a change. Youth of Jamaica, time for a change. Wise up. Put down the guns. That's all the whole thing can say. Make a change, man. Make a difference. Time for that. So everyone, just big up on yourself, the people. All of my fans, them not Trinidad, big up. I don't know the whole Caribbean, big up. I don't St. Vincent, St. Martin, St. Lucia, Jamaica, Grenada, Montserrat, St. Thomas, everywhere in the Caribbean, man. Belize, you get me? All over Trinidad and Tobago, New Link, love on the Bahamas, you don't know the thing, Barbados, everywhere, man, and the whole Caribbean, big up where I say to the whole of Europe, England, Canada, USA, Africa, Japan, everywhere, big up. New Link as a people, time for a change. Make a difference, man. The gun thing no make no sense, youth. Don't stop wasting our life. A straight attacking the people. Blessed attack, man, have a productive day. I don't know what them say. It's a Thursday, so make it be a blessed one. Enough love, people. Straight up, New Link production.